I walked out one day looking around and just started noticing small cracks. So decided that I wanted to find out what the problem was. The professionalism of the guy that came out and looked the problem over immediately reassured me that we did not have a sinkhole issue. It was a settling issue. He was very thorough in his walk around and his inspection, and however he decided what the problem was. He was also very informative. Told me what the best process for fixing the problem was, and took measurements. Again, he was very thorough. So I was pretty confident in his ability, and decided that this was probably the company that I wanted to deal with. They were able to move me up on the schedule, I guess because of a schedule change or something with another customer. And they were very responsive, very, on the ball all the way. I was really impressed with the overall contact with all the employees. Probably one of the better experiences I've had with various contractors. Lived here 8 years now, and I've done a lot of work to this house, or had a lot of work done. And this has been one of the smoothest processes, right from the first contact to evaluating the problem, to getting financing, to knowing what was involved. Every bit of it was very complete, very professional, a very smooth process, and I would say you're a good company to work with.